Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to check and see if you have a reflex test, or what some call a confirmation test, in your Grassroots Labs order. First, log into the Grassroots Labs website with your username and password. Second, navigate to your account drop-down menu, which is the button in the top of the screen with your name on it. If this button does not show your name and instead says Login, you are not logged into the Grassroots Labs website. In your account drop-down menu, click Order History. Find the order for which you would like to check for a reflex test. Copy the name of the test that you would like to check. You can do this by left-clicking with your mouse and dragging to highlight the text of the test. Then right-click on the highlighted text and left-click Copy. Now, click on the search in the main navigation. Left-click the search bar, right-click inside the search bar, and then left-click Paste. This will paste the name of the test that you're wanting to search for. You can also just type the name of the test in the search bar if that's more comfortable. Press Enter or Return on your keyboard to start your search. Click on the test and the search results that appear. If the product says Reflex Test, then it's a reflex test. You can scroll down to the possible additional charges, Reflex Tests, section to review the information about the type of reflex test and the extra charges associated with it. If you have multiple tests in your order, please repeat the process on each test in your order to find out if any of them are reflex tests. You can always chat with our live chat support representatives if you need more help. Thanks so much for watching this video, and thanks for choosing Grassroots Labs.